All right, guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will give you guys an update on the status of this house.
Here's a quick update on the house. So we got everything completely painted. The whole house has been painted, and then we already got the carpet redone. Yay! So there's the carpet, the paint. There was definitely a bunch of holes on that side of the wall because of the TV, so that's been patched up. Here's the sunroom. Carpet's in there. We need to clean out the doors, but that looks really good. Just show you guys very quickly. Okay, then this room is kind of dark. There's no light in here, but we got, again, the walls painted, carpet's done, and then we just need to put the closet doors back in this room, and this room will be completely done. Upstairs, there was a bunch of marks on the walls, and there was some damages, I think, from them moving the furniture along the stairs, and everything was patched up and repainted, so that looks good. There's the loft. New paint, new carpet. It looks really good. And if you recall from the previous video, this room had a bunch of stains on the wall here, and there was a bunch of stains on this wall, so that looks much better. And then we were able to clean out the marks that they had made along the closet, so that looks good. We just have to replace the little cover for that light. And then in this room, okay, there was stains all over this wall, and if you guys remember, there was paint all over the carpet. So we got the carpet done. Paint, it's so much better now. And then, so here's the master bedroom. It's got a sitting area, and there's the master. There was a gigantic hole right here, and I think it was from them moving, and that was patched up really nicely. And then stains on the carpet as well, so that carpet looks so much better now.
I'm at the house. I'm actually going to be doing all the little touch-ups in the house. The house is fully painted, as you guys can see in the video, and also the carpet is completely done. So today I will be checking out, again, all the little minor stuff, all the little knickknacks. Alright, about done. Just have those two little cabinets, a couple pieces of wood, but the garage is pretty much empty. Alright, so this whole process took me about an hour, and that's about it. Lots of work though. So one of my pet peeves about houses is that right there. So that is the air vent. So I'm gonna vacuum it out so it looks way cleaner, because that is a no-no. Need this and this. Some of you guys may be wondering why I'm cleaning out the air vents, right? Because it's so minor. Well, the reason I do that is because as a real estate agent, when I go into a house for my clients, that's one of the first things I look at. I look at it this way. If you can't take care of your filters, which is the cheapest thing you can do to make sure the life of the AC unit is as long as possible, then what else is wrong with the house? Changing an air filter that's gonna cost you $10, $11 goes a long way to preserving and maintaining the life of the AC unit. One AC unit in Vegas can run you, I believe, between $4,000 to $6,000. And you not changing the filter every 3 or 4 months, again, costing you $11, to me, it's just a no-brainer. So if a buyer comes into this house and sees that the vents are clean, then naturally it shows that, okay, these owners were on top of it, making sure that the house stays clean and the vents are staying clean. And hopefully everything else in the house is also clean. Another pet peeve of mine is having dirty ceiling fans. I feel like every time I walk into a house with a dirty ceiling fan, I feel like the house is not maintained, and obviously it's not clean either. All right, it's a little dark in here, but the family also did not put back the closet doors, so now I'll have to do that for the next buyer. Put this one on the back end first. That would do the trick, huh? Alright, so closet door is finally installed. It took me a little bit and I sweated a little bit too. So I forgot to mention this in the other video. This was also broken. And we got a quote for this. This is at least a couple $100 for someone to come fix it. I would try super glue this, but it's just not gonna work. This as well. All right, so another project for today is making sure that the kitchen faucet is tightened because it's a little loose. And as an inspector, they're gonna check and wiggle everything. So I wanna make sure that this doesn't pop up on the request for repairs, which is what the buyer asks for if their inspector finds something wrong with the house. Wish me luck. So it's really just 2 little screws, and that's about it, and the sink is good to go. All right, just a few minutes ago, this guy was actually swiveling. It was swiveling like this. Now it is strong as bull, so you ain't going nowhere. All right, so mission accomplished for today. Did a lot of, like I said earlier, little petty work. I also had to take out some paint on the floor. And then again, I tightened the sink, cleaned out the fans, cleaned out the vents, fixed the closet, sweeped a little bit, tightened a couple screws here and there. So the next step now is for the cleaners to do their magic, and then the house goes live. All right, guys, so that is it. I appreciate you guys staying tuned and seeing the progress of this house. The next video about this property is about us selling it and walking you guys through the entire process of it. So make sure you hit that little bell and the little thumbs up and the little bell as well. Thanks, guys.